Imagine you wrote one cake recipe, but it magically cooked itself perfectly on a campfire, a giant oven, and a tiny toaster, without you rewriting a single word. What if computer programs could work the same way, running everywhere from a phone to a supercomputer from just one set of instructions? So think of that magic recipe idea for real. LLVM is a giant toolbox that helps turn programs written in many languages into instructions any computer chip can follow. It does not care which language you speak. It acts like a friendly translator that lives in the middle, connecting people to machines. But why build such a toolbox? Long ago, every language needed a special translator for every kind of chip. That meant building a huge, messy grid of translators, one for each pairing. It was slow, repetitive work, like needing a different plug for every single wall in your house. So how does LLVM untangle that mess? It adds one special middle language that everybody agrees on. Now each real language only translates once into the middle, and each chip only reads from that middle. The giant tangle shrinks into two neat, simple steps that anyone can reuse. Now that we have a middle, let us name it. LLVM calls it Intermediate Representation, or IR. Think of IR as a plain, tidy recipe card written in words every helper understands. It is simple, precise, and boring on purpose, so nothing gets lost in translation. So how does your code become IR? First comes the front end. It reads the language you wrote, checks the spelling and grammar of your code, and carefully rewrites your ideas as neat IR recipe cards. Every language, like C or Swift, brings its own front-end reader. Now that we have IR, LLVM cleans it up. The optimizer is like a tidy chef who removes wasted steps, combines repeated ones, and reorders work to be faster. Your program still does the same thing, but now it runs quicker and uses less energy, all without you lifting a finger. But the optimizer does not fix everything at once. Instead, it uses many tiny helpers called passes, each with one small job. One pass removes dead code, another folds numbers together, another simplifies loops. Lined up in order, these little helpers turn rough IR into something wonderfully smooth. So our IR is polished, but chips cannot read recipe cards. Next comes the back end. It takes the tidy IR and turns it into machine code, the exact tiny commands a specific chip understands. Each kind of chip gets its own back end that knows that chip's special language. Remember our campfire and toaster. This is the payoff. From the very same IR, LLVM makes machine code for a phone chip, a laptop chip, or a giant server chip. Write once, and specialist backends deliver it perfectly to every different machine, just like our magic recipe. So who actually uses this in real life? One famous helper is Clang. It is a front end that reads the C and C++ languages and produces LLVM IR. Many apps on your phone and computer were built using Clang, quietly translating human ideas into the shared middle language. So why do inventors love LLVM? If you dream up a brand new programming language, you only need to write a front end to IR. LLVM already handles the polishing and all the machine code for you. You get support for many chips for free, saving years of tricky work. Now think about your day. LLVM helps build apps on phones, games on consoles, websites in browsers, and programs on huge cloud servers. It works silently behind the scenes, so most people never notice it, yet it powers a huge slice of the software we use every single day. So why should we care? LLVM means programmers write ideas once, and those ideas run fast on almost any machine. It saves time, saves energy, and lets clever people focus on new inventions instead of redoing the same translations. The whole world of software moves faster because of it. So remember, your code enters the front end, becomes tidy IR, gets polished by the optimizer's little passes, and the back end turns it into machine code for any chip. One shared middle language lets one program run beautifully everywhere. That is the quiet magic of LLVM.